Welcome to A&B Private Tutors. My name's Bretton. I specialize in helping pre-med students score their best on the MCAT. With my expert guidance and tailored study plan, you too can increase your chances at getting into medical school. Join me on this journey to reach your goals, and let's make your dream of becoming a doctor a reality. Welcome to another MCAT prep strategy video. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can leverage common AAMC wrong math answers so you can get more math questions right without actually having to do math. Let's walk through this. The first thing I want you to do from now on, whenever you see a math problem, is to first figure out the relationship between the answers. What I mean by the relationship is what can you multiply or divide by to get between them, what could you add or subtract by, or what do you need to square or square root. In this case, these all look like multiples to me. So let's start with A. What could we do to multiply A to get to B? Well, this is just multiplying by 2. How about from B to C? In this case, we'll multiply by 100. How about from C to D? Just 10. Now, other relationships I see as well is that we could multiply B to D by 1,000 to get there. And whenever I see that there's a multiple of 1,000, I get super happy because it means we're not doing math. Let me show you how. So once you figure this out, I want you to kind of analyze the problem itself from a very high level. So let's see what we got here. So we see we're starting with 150 pounds. So I'll just write down our units. So we're starting with 150 pounds. We have to then somehow turn her pounds into kilograms. And then we're going to get how many milligrams of drug she needs. So we're going to go from kilograms to milligrams. And here's where you get to see one of the common wrong math answers is the answer we're looking for is in grams. So the final answer, we're going to have to take this to grams. So what is the MCAT expecting us to do? Well, one of the wrong answers the MCAT expects us to get is by not converting our units from milligrams to grams. Well, typically, when we convert milligrams to grams, we're going to divide by 1,000. We simply just pick the one answer choice that is 1,000 smaller, which in this case happens to be answer choice B. Seems crazy, seems like black magic, and it totally is. This is an MCAT math secret that you're not going to find in a study textbook somewhere. And at this point, you might be wondering, well, how often does this work? And my answer is it doesn't work 100% of the time, but it works over half the time. And think about how quickly this was. I was teaching this to you, so it was a little bit slower, but I bet if you practice this, you could get this whole process done in 10 seconds or less. To learn more tips on how to boost your score and other essential MCAT strategies that they're not teaching you, click the link down below in the description. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video useful in your MCAT preparation journey. If you have any further questions or concerns about how to study for the MCAT, please schedule a free strategy call with me by clicking the link in the description below. Also, please subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and resources that will help you get into medical school. Good luck on your exam!